owner told me that our booking is not even valid. Welcome back to another vlog of my YouTube channel, Dream with Diana. And this vlog is going to be a mini vlog about Puerto Princesa, Palawan here in Philippines. Guys, we are ready to go. Bye! And now we're here at Manila Airport waiting to get inside. There's a really long line. You have to wear the mask everywhere, but like super hot. Guys, for domestic flight, you can always check in, or at least with Cebu Air, that's what I am with. I check in, like self-check in. So it literally took 2 seconds. You just put your booking reference and they just print you your booking ticket. That's it. So simple. Oh my god. Hi guys, here we are. We landed in Puerto Princessa and that's our first view in front of the airport. We're waiting for our taxi and so far it's so cool in here. It's so pretty. Look at that view. And Savannah for sure. Guys, we just arrived here at the hotel. Actually, I don't even know where is the hotel. We're just walking through the alley. What's your expectations? What is Savannah doing? It's a nice hotel. Shush. Maldita. She's sweet. Ang cute naman eh. It's so cute, guys. I don't know what's her problem. Oh, hindi ko and we have a cat here, a cat there, and a cat there. So
a few moments later.
Welcome! This is Privado Hostel. So it's such a simple room actually. We only have this thing here for hanging stuff. There's 2 small beds and they're put together. Then we have
Small chair.
oh, there's actually a book.
And we have an AC for sure.
And actually that's it because I booked with hotel.com and the mistake I did was I didn't check in with the hotel. I didn't message them because my booking was confirmed and paid and everything. And then when I arrived here at the hotel, like the owner told me that our booking is not even valid because they already got out of hotel.com. I don't even know how come everything went through in the hotel.com. And then I had to cancel and there was no rooms, and luckily the guest who's coming in this room canceled, so it was the only available room with no toilet. The one I booked of course had a toilet inside, but this one got no toilet, so the toilet for us is gonna be separate outside.
Oh
And,
no!
yeah, but we got to survive. It's only 2 days, so no big deal. We got this.
Natulog na kami kanina dahil nauntok kami. Ayoko kami na talaga gigising. Tingnan mo si Silvana. Tulog na siya. Ay. Ako rin ayoko na talaga. Pero ano ba, alas 6 na yun ng gabi. Grabe.
Sige ate, pwede dalawa to. Tsaka dalawa nito.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves so somewhere in the great unknown, When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on.
After all our stops, we finally made it to the Baywalk, and it was beautiful. You can see the seaside, the Puerto Princessa big sign, and a lot of people having so much fun biking and walking and just chilling around. So here you can see it, and then we took a little walk to see where we can eat.
Feeling is all gone.
If you like street food, there's definitely more street food over there, so you can have some if you want. And then we found this food market. It had different mini restaurants and they serve different kind of food. So we decided we wanted some porridge soup. So it had chicken, egg, rice, and of course soup. Then we also got isaw, which is the chicken intestine. I know it sounds bad, but it's really good. Try it. One of the workers was my TikTok follower, so he started taking a video of us while we're eating at his family restaurant. And then we decided to take a picture with him as he requested. He was super friendly and the whole family was.
Is all gone. Hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
One more thing. Ang puti talaga yung flavor mo eh. Parang ba siya?
Feeling is all gone.
Ang ganda mo!
My name is Rian Harusel. I'm 18 years old from Puerto Princessa City. I'm parang I'm Angel C. I'm 17 years old. Philippines!
Then we took a tricycle to go back to the hostel because we were super tired to walk. If you enjoyed this, please like and press the subscribe button. If you're new here, it will mean a lot to us. Tomorrow we will be going on the underground river tour, so hope to see you in part 2.